a simple phrase that we have to look at. I hope, we hope as a group that this activity will not be the last, but will be the first activity to motivate all stakeholders to protect the environment. Kanina Move is not for us, but it's for the future, for our children. And maybe if we continue these activities, this kind of activities, maski ginagmay lang ta na grupo, madugay na siya, ang Pilipinas will be green again. So thank you, and I would like to welcome you with this tree planting activity.
Thank you, sir. So karon ako ang i-present sa inyo ha ang matag-participante ng atong activity. So ganyan ako nga wave hand para mailan na to kung asa po sila nga department. Kabalo ko mga gwapa-gwapo ta na ading hitanan ron. So wala example, wait lang ha. So ang atong activity karon dili ni siya mahimo kung